Ever looked at an ATM, heart pounding, and wondered, can I use my Relay card here? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of ATM compatibility with Relay. Let's clear the air. Understanding Relay. First things first, let's quickly recap what Relay is. For those new to the game, Relay is a financial platform that often comes with a card. It's a handy tool for managing your money, but the burning question is, where can you use that card? The ATM dilemma. ATMs. Those green and sometimes temperamental machines that promise cash on demand. But here's the kicker, not all ATMs are created equal. Some welcome Relay cards with open arms, while others give you a cold shoulder. So, how do you know which ones to trust? The good news, most ATMs are your friend. The good news is, Relay cards generally work with most ATMs that are part of major networks. You know, the ones with the big logos like Visa, MasterCard, or Maestro. If you see one of those bad boys, chances are high your Relay card will be accepted. The fine print, network fees. But hold your horses. While your card might be accepted, there's a catch. Many ATMs, especially those not affiliated with your bank, charge fees. These fees can range from a couple of bucks to a downright robbery. So, while you can use your Relay card, it might cost you a pretty penny. Fee-free options. Don't worry, we're not leaving you hanging. There are ways to avoid those pesky ATM fees. Your bank's ATMs, if your bank is part of a larger network, you might be able to use their ATMs for free. Partner ATMs, some financial institutions partner with other banks to offer fee-free ATM access. Check your Relay account details for potential partners. Cashback options, some retailers offer cashback when you make a purchase. This can be a sneaky way to get your hands on some cash without the ATM fee. The bad news, some ATMs don't play nice. As much as we'd love for every ATM to be a Relay-friendly oasis, that's just not reality. Some independent ATMs, especially those in remote locations or gas stations, might reject your card. It's frustrating, but it happens. How to find ATM locations. So, how do you find ATMs that will actually accept your Relay card? There are a few options. ATM locator apps. There are plenty of apps out there that can help you find ATMs in your area. Some even let you filter by network and fees. Your bank's app. Most banks have apps that can help you locate ATMs within their network. Google Maps. A good old-fashioned Google search can also point you in the right direction. Tips for ATM safety. While we're on the topic of ATMs, let's quickly touch on safety. Be aware of your surroundings. Shield your PIN. Check for skimmers. Report suspicious activity. Wrapping it up. So, there you have it. Using your Relay card at ATMs is generally possible, but it's essential to be aware of potential fees and compatibility issues. By understanding the different types of ATMs and using a bit of caution, you can make the most of your Relay card. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.